I'm ready.
Ready to rumble. Here we go. Keep on breathing, please.
Okay.
Inhale. Slow exhale. Here we go. Insert it. Really smart, Tom. Sorry guys, forgot to take off the clip. Sorry, Patrick. That's your needle there. There it is. Can you see it?
Yep, I can see it.
Really cool. Really cool.
Yep.
Band-aid. And then you're done. Already.
Can we read it? That is the next question.
Ah, that's the next question. Uh-oh. It's called the butterfly effect. Sorry guys.
Have you seen that movie, Butterfly Effect?
Probably, yeah.
A couple of years ago.
A couple of years ago, yeah. Here you are. Clean the rest of it. I'll probably put another band-aid on. There you go.
Thanks.
Welcome.